G'day, here we are doing another vlog. Today's location, we are down at East Point in Darwin, better known as Lake Alexander. I'm going to throw the new magnet that I've got into the water. It's a Megalodon. It's a big magnet. I don't expect to get anything, but I'm just going to give it a go. Just say I've christened it. I'm demonstrating and trying out the new Rode speaker. So it should go straight to the GoPro that I'm using via Bluetooth or however they do it. So we'll see how that turns out when I actually do some editing. All right, let's get the big boy out. Finally at last, the magnet has arrived. It's called the Megalodon, and reading its specifications, it picks up easily a ton. It comes in a nice hard red case with 20 meters of rope and of course the magnet itself, along with a pair of gloves. I can't wait to get it out and give it a go. Our magnet came with a tube of thread lock. Thread lock is a type of glue that will ensure the eye bolt of your magnet will not come undone. So when you get it, unscrew the eye bolt and any washers on your magnet. Add some of this thread lock glue onto the thread of your eye bolt. Please follow all safety directions on the thread locker label. Screw the eye bolt back in place with accompanying washers. Screw it tightly. Leave your magnet for 24 hours with the thread locker to cure. Use a powerful drill or screwdriver if you need to undo it again. The carabiners that come with your magnet are used to easily connect your magnet to your rope that's supplied. When you're connecting, ensure that the steel screw on the carabiner is tight, and it is even recommended to use thread locker on this. Use the other carabiner on the opposite end of the rope to secure the rope to an object, i.e. a pier, so that you won't accidentally throw your whole magnet, rope, caboodle, the whole lot into the water. This particular magnet slash setup came with its own set of gloves. You can always go out and buy your own gloves, of course, but you need gloves when you go out magnet fishing to help look after the magnet and the rope. G'day, how are you going? Today, before we go out magnet fishing, I'm going to show you our Rode microphone system which hooks up to the GoPro. In a second you'll see how it's all assembled and ready to go, and when we're out in the field we'll give it a red hot crack. Apparently the range on those is about 100 to 200 meters, so if you got your GoPro set up somewhere you can go out 1 to 200 meters and still be heard Bluetoothing it back to the GoPro. There's two microphones that come with the third piece that attaches to the GoPro, so two people can actually utilize this system. All right? Okay, here we have it. Megalodon, great white magnets. Okay, I've got the gloves, the rope, the magnet. Let's do this.
Make sure the carabiners are tight. Okay, let's go. Also, we are in Darwin, so just be mindful of crocodiles. I know this is a lake and it's across the road from the main beach, but you know, crocodiles can travel quite a few kilometres overnight on foot, and I don't want to be the next meal. It's one of those sports or activities where you may not get anything for the first 100 throws, but when you do, it could be very interesting. It could be old coins, could even be a firearm. Remember to hand those into the police, of course, if you do come across something like that. And while we're at it, I may as well mention our new sponsor to our vlog channels. They're known as Shut Up and Fish. If you're after any fishing lures, especially crankbait or swim bait, look them up. Just above there or down there, wherever it is on the page, that's their website. I highly recommend them. Good bunch of fellas too. Okay, that's www.shutupandfish.com.au, so give them a look today. You'll save yourself heaps of dollars, like almost a quarter of the price you'd be paying at one of those reputable dealers like we know who. Get in there. I think today we're not going to get anything, but you got to persevere with something like this. So you just got to put yourself in the mindset of someone who might have been standing here, having a domestic maybe, throwing a ring, or trying to hide the weapon of crime by throwing it as far as they can into the water. It's not going to pick up diamonds or gold, but the metal, it might hold on to that if it's a cheap and nasty ring. There's 20 metres of rope we've got here. This magnet, it's meant to pick up a tonne, so I believe, so it's going to get hold of, like if there's a safe that's been discarded, hopefully some money will be in it, or you know, even a push bike. This will do the job, no worries at all. I'd like to thanks to all those the subscribers to our channel, much appreciated. We're easily over 5,000 now in such a short time. So make sure you like, share and subscribe, won't you?
I didn't catch anything on my magnet, but maybe I can catch a magpie goose. Let's go!